Hello everyone and welcome to another demo which is all about Agentic AI and how we can leverage it to interact with our ERP systems, not only to fetch information and get insights, but also to perform transactions. So I have my SAP Business One system running on SMB Solutions Cloud Services, and I have my AI agent built on top of that system, which I can interact with via Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to be opening my Teams. I'm going to start typing. I would like to see the orders, let's say the top 10 orders. And I also want the open orders that have a delivery date which is overdue. And now my agent is invoked and I'm expecting an answer, and let's see what I get. And I did get my 10 orders, and I can see that all the delivery dates here are in the past. And I'm going to just pick something randomly just to see what's happening in Business One. Let's go to Business One. Drop that order here. This is order 856. And I have 5 items on that order, and I can see that it's the 23rd of May, 24. So we seem like it seems like we're in pretty good shape here. So let's just take it one step further and say I would like to see the items on order 856. And I'm expecting to get a list of those items here, and let's see what the agent comes up with. And I do get 5 items. I can see that I have all these items here with the quantities 51121. Yeah, seems okay. So I'm going to pick a random part, and I can take it further. I would like to see the stock level for A0006. Let's just quickly check in SAP. I'm just using the SAP system to verify the information. So I'm expecting to see 216 pieces, which is exactly what I can see here. I can see that I get 216 pieces, units. That's really awesome. I can even say in which warehouse does those 216 pieces reside. And of course, here I can see that it's in warehouse 01. Great. So I can see that I get a response. They reside in warehouse code 01. Great. Absolutely great. So now I want to take it further and do some transactions also. I can say I would like to perform changes to the order. Now, I'm not referring to that specific order number because I want to see if the agent can infer the right order number. And he does. Please provide the specific changes you would like to make in order 856. Great, so we're still in the context of 856. If the changes involve item-related properties, kindly specify the line number and the details of the changes. Great. So it actually doing the reasoning for me. So let me say the changes involve, okay, I can say before I specify the changes, please show me the line numbers for each item on that order. So let's see if it can correctly fetch, and I'm expecting it to make errors every now and then. I'm not expecting it to be perfect, but let's see if it can understand the context of the conversation, and it does. It's actually giving me a list of all the item codes on that order here with the corresponding item code. So let's just take that, go to Teams, and see if it's the right case. So we can see that A0001 has his order is like line number 1, line number 0, and then we see line number 1 is for I0001, line number 2, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I can see that it's actually working. Great. So I will thank my agent. Thank you. Now please make the following changes. Replace item code. Let's say I want to replace that part number on line 3 with item code. Let's see what item code I don't have here. Let's take A0002. Set the quantity to 50 pieces and set the document delivery date to, let's just say the 10th of April 25. So I've just asked it to do 3 changes to the order. If this is my order, I want to replace that part number with another part number, A0002, set the quantity to 50, and then set the date here to the 10th of April 25. Let's see. It says that the order has changed. Let's go back to the order and refresh it. So let's capture the changes here. Okay? And we can see that here we have A0002 with 50 pieces. We can see that the delivery date has changed and we're all set. So we've just saw how we are able to interact with the SAP Business One system using only natural language to fetch information, display it, tweak the information in between, and also to make changes to documents and entities. So that's really, really cool. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next demos.